Okay, this is incredible. Watch this. Here's my Ultimate 64. It's currently powered off. So I'll just power it on. Okay, so here we are at the ready prompt. Hold shift, hit run. And boom, we're in C64 OS that fast. Look at this. Memos utility is already open. You want to switch to app launcher. Boom, we're in app launcher. Today, utility is already open. Switch back to file manager. Maybe we go into C64 archiver. Boom, it's already open. Isn't that friggin' amazing? This is because the Ultimate 64 can save the REU contents to an image file that it preloads on PowerUp. And combining that with C64 OS fast app switching and fast reboot, you can boot up into C64 OS from a fresh power on to your last save state literally in like 2 seconds. That is so cool. All right, thanks for watching.